Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging
What's up, party people?
Hi everybody! Arigali kami diri subong sa Bukana. Kung sa diin makita ni siya or matatagpuan ito sa Barangay Kapilan, Sitio Kapla. Amo na siya ang tourist spot nga wala pa na-discover. So subong amo nga discover kang ipakita sa inyo.
Amo na ang balay ni Nice, which is here we can feel the essence of family, the love and support of our family for us. Open arms kasi lang welcome kami, and with that we are very thankful. So let us have an adventure in Bukana. Let's go. We are currently walking.
Pinoy 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 yeah. Pinoy 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 yeah. Pinoy 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 yeah. Pinoy 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 yeah. Pinoy Pinoy.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's time for lunch.
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 It's lunchtime.
Hey, what's for lunch?
Hi! Welcome again in our vlog. So we have a tour where we go in this vlog. First, we have to dance in water. And next, we have to find a rock that is in shape of heart. And lastly, we have playing of rocks. And paramihan po kami ng mountains.
If wala kami may makita, meron na naman kami isang consequences ngayon mo. That's all, and guys, join us! Ay, diri gali nga part nga practice kami sini. Pero pansin ko lang, ang TL ni Krill daw stick na siya. Pero kapag kuno-kuno lang ko dira nga ga-practice, pero wait na sila kabalo, balaan ko dira nagsaot. Bala mo nga dan serious ba ko?
Madam! And now we are currently finding rocks that is a shape of heart. While we are finding rocks, hindi namin maiwasan ang maglaro. Ay, teka. Bakit may favoritism ng cameraman namin? Bakit kay Nice lang video?
Dugay-dugay gid kami nga nangita as part of our challenge. It lasts for more than 5 minutes.
At sa wakas, may nakita na rin kami.
Hep, dali lang. Though hindi sang hugis heart ang bitbit ni Krill nga bato ha. Pero biskan daw happy kag sweet kami dira nga part nga video. Actually, kaplastikanay kami dira gadumtanay kami dira gadua. Tuod lang gadumtanay kami dira abi mo lang. Di niyo lang napansin. We are currently playing with rocks. Hindi siya nakikita dahil naka-time-lapse.
We both realized that quality time and bonding is surely a good thing.
Nag-swimming kami, higit isang oras. Hindi namin namalayan ang paglipas ng oras.
Did you know, malapit na ang Bukana sa lugar natin. Bali, continuity lang ito ng Makin Falls. It is a hidden gem of Kapilan, Sitio Kapla. Pero actually, in this time when Nice is throwing some water at me, I am very frustrated. Kaya nga man niya ko ginamo sina, hindi man ko pwede.
And now, we are stacking a group of rocks as a sign of our friendship.
Nurturing the growth, kumbaga.
that even we face many challenges, we can cure it.
Kung daw gahubag na damatan nyo kahibig, hiway ka mo ka nature, kay puro plano lang, halina't puntahan ng bukana. Libre at ramdam mo talaga ang pagmamahal ng kalikasan. Ay, parang tinatawag na ako ng kalikasan, babay na!
Hey, so what's up everybody? This is the end of our vlog. And then, kay natapos naman ang amon na goal or amon nga challenge, wala kami some consequences ngayon moon.
At the end of the day, hindi kita feel di ang probensya. Saan nice?
Sa nature trip,
Please like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe!
and click the notification bell for more updates in our video. That's the end of our video. Sa muli, kami po si
Nice!
Real
Makayat-ayat
Ayat na Adlaw.